Welcome to my channel Statistics Corner. This is my new channel, so don't forget to click on subscribe button and like and share my videos. Today we will prove that in simple random sampling, sample mean is an unbiased estimator of population mean. So let's prove. Let y1, y2 up to y capital N be a population of size capital N, and y1, y2, small yn are the sample values of n units. So we will write the formulas of population mean. Yn bar equal to 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to n yi. I have put as equation star, and sample mean small y n bar equal to 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to n yi, and again I put as double star. Here we are to prove that expectation of yn bar equal to y bar n. So here are two cases. One is simple random sampling with replacement and another one is simple random sampling without replacement. So in case 1, we will start like this. Expectation of y n bar equal to expectation of 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to n yi. This is a formula of sample mean. Earlier I have mentioned in equation double star. So I will write 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to n expectation of yi as equation 1. Now we have to find the value of expectation of yi. So you will think how it come 1 by n 1 by y1 plus 1 by n y2 dot dot up to 1 by n yn. So example is that suppose population size equal to 5 balls. If one person take one ball from 5 balls, then the probability becomes 1 by 5. Population is 5 and sample size is 1. Then person give the ball to the lot, then the total population again become population size as 5. Then another person take one ball and probability again becomes 1 by 5. So in this process, as it is a replacement problem, so 1 by 5 will be the probability of every person. So that's why we have written 1 by n y1 plus 1 by n y2 plus dot dot 1 by n yn. Then we will write 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to n yi. So this is a formula of population mean. So we write as equation 2. Then putting equation 2 in 1, we get expectation of yn bar equal to 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to n y bar n. So we will get in next step 1 by n into, we can write as this n into y bar n. So it will become y bar n. Thus simple random sampling with replacement sample mean is an unbiased estimator of population mean. So in second case, it is that in case simple random sampling without replacement. So again we will proceed with the formula expectation of yn bar equal to expectation of 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to n yi. Then we will write 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to n expectation of yi. Then in next step, we will write 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to capital N expectation of ai yi. So it is an alternative way of writing sample mean in case of simple random sampling without replacement. So now we have to find the value of expectation of ai yi. So we will write now expectation of ai yi equal to expectation of ai yi is equation 4. Since ai takes only two values 1 and 0, expectation of ai becomes 1 into probability of ai equal to 1 plus 0 into probability of ai equal to 1. So 1 into probability of ai equal to 1 means ith unit is included in a sample size n, plus 0 into probability of ith unit not included in sample of size n. So 1 into it becomes small n by capital N plus 0 into 1 minus small n by capital N is because ith unit is not included in sample of size n. So it will become 0. So the answer will become n by capital N. So I put this as equation number 5. Now putting equation 5 in 4 we get. So we have to put the value of expectation AI in 4. Then we will get expectation of AI yi equal to n by capital N yi. So it becomes equation number 6. Again we have to put expectation of AI yi value in equation 3. So equation 3 means that one. 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to n expectation of AI yi. So we will put expectation of yn by equal to value of expectation AI y in this place. So here we will get n by n capital N summation I equal to 1 to capital N yi. Then n and cancel out. Then we will get 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to n yi. So it will become y bar n. So therefore in case of simple random sampling without replacement, sample mean is an unbiased estimator of population mean. That's all for today and coming with one more video, so stay tuned and subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos.